guys, welcome back to my channel. You're here with Jamaican Kim. So we're doing a box opening snack. Well, it's actually a bag opening, not a box. So here I have all these yummy snacks in here that we're gonna check out. So on top we have what? The Red Hot. Now I remember these when I was younger. I used to eat a lot of these when I was younger. Spicy chips, but I don't think they're that spicy like before, you guys. I think they're less spicy. And these are still pretty good. These are one of my favorites. I don't think these are not made here in Jamaica. These are made in the US. These are made in the US. Yeah. So yeah, these are one of my favorites, and my daughter, she really likes these chips. She loved them, so I bought a lot for her. I bought a lot for her. And another one here we have cheese curls. I remember these cheese, actually I remember cheese balls. I don't remember eating cheese curls when I was younger. I remember cheese balls. Yeah, so the sunshine snacks. So this is a long time snack, but I don't remember this one. I remember the cheese balls. I wasn't a big fan of those anyways. I remember a snack that's called what is it called again? I think it's onion bits, but I didn't get any of those because I bought a pack the other day and it wasn't tasting good, so I didn't bother. I just didn't bother to buy anymore. So here we have the maroon pride. What's this on it? I think this is what. This is the expiry date or something on it, I'm not sure. Anyways, so we have the maroon pride banana chips. Now this is a long time good up, well bad, proper taste good banana chips, you know. Long time original maroon pride banana chips. These are one of my favorite banana chips to eat. So I think I got about 3 of them. Let me check. Where's the rest of them? Oh yeah, there's another one on here and another one around here. So I got about 3 of them. Yeah, those are really great banana chips. I love these. These are really great. I used to love what's the other banana chips called again? St. Mary banana chips. But these are the bomb. These are the bomb, I'm telling you. These are the bomb. Maroon pride banana chips. Well bad. Proper. Yeah, these was one of my favorite banana chips from all time and still is my favorite. But this is one of my favorite. This is one of my favorite also. What else did I get? I didn't get much of the snack. Oh yeah. So the Bigfoot now. Bigfoot is original. It's a Caribbean snack. It's not really a Jamaican snack. It's like a Caribbean snack. So these are original nice snacks, but I don't know what's happening because they're not making the things them like oh they used to make them. Everything is so different nowadays. The taste, the flavor is so much different. I don't know what's happening. So like I used to love eating Bigfoot. I still kind of do, but the flavor is not like before. The flavor is not even like the spicy one. This is the hot and spicy one. It's not that spicy anymore. So yeah, Bigfoot. And I think the size even cut back because I think it used to be a little bit bigger. I don't know. Spicy Bigfoot. And this one is the original one. Holiday brand. This is the original one. The original flavor. I do not like the original flavor. I prefer, actually I used to like the original flavor, but it's not so nice anymore. But my daughter, she loves it, so I buy it for her. The hot and spicy is the best, I think. She picked out some of these because, you know, we went to the supermarket the other day and she picked out what she wanted. I didn't got a lot of snacks, but you know, pick up a little. So these potato chips, I don't know why she liked these. I actually used to like these, you know, when I was younger, but I don't really like it. It's not that, it's not, I'm even stuttering. Guys, I don't know. It's not like before. Everything has cut back. This one is what flavor? Oh, this is the barbecue flavor. So I think it comes in barbecue and look at this is one of this. Yeah, this is another one. This is a salted one. This one said salted. It doesn't even have salt on it. It doesn't taste salty. I don't know. But she likes it though. But nothing is like before. Let me see what else is in this bag before she eats it all. Okay, so I have cheesies. Who remember cheesies? I remember cheesies. I used to like these guys. I actually used to like eating these, but it's not that cheesy anymore. So this is the original flavor. I think they have like the hot and spicy flavor. I think maybe they have the barbecue flavor in the cheesies. I'm not sure. I think I bought the hot and spicy one other day, but she didn't like it, so I didn't buy it back anymore. So she said she liked the original one, so I got the original one. But these guys are pretty good same way. But I like it. The onion bits. Onion bits was my all-time favorite when I was a kid, but I didn't get any. And remember the red cheese chip? The red round cheese chip. I think it's cheese ball cousin. I call it cheese ball cousin because it's not cheese ball, but it's the same round ball cheese trick. Yeah. Yeah, so here. This biscuit here. Snackables. These are really nice. I like these. I really like these. This is the nacho cheese flavor one, but I think I bought, hold on. Oh, she only picked up the nacho cheese one? Hold on. I thought she got the onion one. This is the nacho cheese one, so she got 2 nacho cheese one, but I thought I picked out 3, so where's the other one? Hold on guys, let me see if I can find the other one. Oh, here's another one around here. Oh, she didn't pick out it actually. I thought she got the onion flavor. The onion flavor is really nice. This one's the cheddar cheese. So you have cheddar cheese, and another one. Cheddar cheese and nacho cheese. I think these actually taste almost the same. Out of the 2 of these, I think this one is the better one. I think this one tastes the best. The nacho cheese flavor tastes the best. But I prefer the onion flavor, but I think maybe she doesn't like it, so maybe that's why she didn't get it. I just allow her to pick out what she likes, and she got some Lay's. Now these are the classic ones, the salted ones. I don't like the salted ones. I prefer the onion flavored ones. Even the cheese flavored ones are great, but I don't like the original flavor one. She got herself some Lay's. Oh, here's a little biscuit around back here. Let me get it. Cheddar cheese. I remember this little biscuit here. Baked in the USA. This is a USA biscuit, but I remember these. But I think the same kind of biscuit, but it came in a different package. Cause I remember something like this, eating something like this when I was younger, but I don't think it's the same packaging, different packaging. I think that's all. I think those are the only snacks she got. Yeah, I think those are the only snacks she got. But out of all the snacks, this is my favorite. The Red Hot. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoy. I hope you all enjoy my video, my snack bag. So if you guys enjoyed, leave a thumbs up, drop a comment. Which one is your favorite kind of snacks that you like to eat? If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. Okay, let's support each other. And I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.